So you lot have done Welsh before then, have you? They told me this was the beginners class. They do it every time. Well, anyway, I'm sticking to my script anyway, okay? So good morning. Good morning. Bore da, yeah, and welcome to the Welsh class. It's lovely to see so many of you here today, because that means I get paid for the year. Right then. We won't go into a lot of detail this morning about the mutations, but I need to share this wonderful knowledge with you. So we got 9 letters now in the soft mutation. The lovely name, TCP, DGB and MS. No easy way to learn them, just got to get on with it really, haven't you? But what's fantastic is how they change, yeah? So you've got a T becomes a D, a C becomes a G, a P becomes a B, isn't it fab? Yeah, a D becomes a double D. The most phenomenal thing is the G disappears. Wonderful. Anyway, where were we? Oh, Tesco's, sorry. I've just arranged my delivery. So on the courses I go on, they tell me now, you got to do the talking, not me. Okay? I don't understand it really because I love talking. But anyway, so my name is Helen Dwi. That's easy, innit? So all you're going to do now is say your name instead of mine. So Helen Dwi.
Helen Dwi.
Helen.
Yeah, well, that's what you said. Did you say?
Yeah, that's my name.
Oh.
So you say your name.
All right.
There we are. So that's what it's going to be like in the Welsh class. I hope you're happy. Now then, coffee time. Yeah, so wasn't I a celebrity fab last night? Oh, I love it, I do, yeah. Oh, hanner awr wedi naw. Oops, 9:30. Rhaid i fi siarad Cymraeg nawr. Darllenwch. Mae ffeil gyda fi. Mae het gyda fi. Mae het gyda fi. Mae radio gyda fi. Mae scarf gyda fi.
Mae scarf gyda fi.
Mae scarf gyda fi. Dwi'n dweud yn Gymraeg, dych chi'n dweud yn Saesneg. Okay? Mae ffeil gyda fi? Na, yn Saesneg. Oh, mae ffeil gyda fi? Oh, da iawn.
As you've seen before, there's a mutation, so even the number mutates. Yeah, so it's the first word after the subject in the sentence. The subject is usually a personal pronoun, like I or ni. It's got 2 I's, my gan y boss that I hug in. Yeah, so the first word after the subject in the sentence will mutate.